Hello my peeps, I'm going to do a roast chicken. So I'm just prepping the seasoning, the garlic, onion, ginger and spring onion. I'm just prepping these guys. So my sister is helping me. I'm just blending some green seasoning. Ginger, that is ginger. Our hands are clean guys, but we're still gonna use our gloves. This is our green seasoning, guys.
It's too much.
Just to put over the chicken.
This one. Just add in little water.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Pepper flakes, guys.
Yeah.
Alright. Where you put the pepper in the car? So this is my dry seasoning that I'm going to use to put on my chicken that I'm going to roast. And you have onion powder, you have garlic powder, lemon powder, all-purpose seasoning, oregano, little chili powder, smoked paprika. So I'm going to use it now to marinate the chicken. Then I use my green seasoning to put on the chicken. And then I'm going to stuff my chicken with some mint, spring onion, and some green scotch bonnet pepper and thyme. So I'm going to marinate my chicken inside. As you can see, this is my dry seasoning.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, this is what I'm doing, guys. I always do tasty roast chicken. This is the leg part. So you're going to marinate it as well. It's very small, guys, but I don't like to do big chicken. Yeah, I'm a person don't like big chicken. So that is my little bird. Yeah. But guys, you will see when it come out. And then guys, this is my butter.
Yes.
Yes, guys, you want to get tasty chicken, so you have to do this. Then guys, this is my green seasoning that I'm going to put in the chicken.
Stuffing.
I'm going to put in, this is the stuffing.
Wow. That's
So-
looking nice. Yeah.
Me and my sister doing it today, guys.
Very nice. baking tray.
And then you're going to put a bit underneath it as well, guys. Very small chicken, but
You can go in this baking tray.
put back that in. That's in it first. Yes, guys, you can see. Everything is in this little bird. Give me the onion. Just cut it in two. Yeah.
Red onion for taste.
This is my red onion for taste.
Good flavor. Yeah. White onion.
And this is my white onion, guys. This is my ginger.
You want the scallion?
Yeah. And this is my mint. And this is my thyme. So I'm stuffing it, guys. I'm gonna stuff it because I want flavorful chicken.
Yeah, that's really flavor.
This is it, guys. Then you put the wing behind.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, that is
Then
it.
you're gonna marinate for
I'm gonna leave it to marinate for half an hour before I start my roasting. I'm just drizzling some avocado oil. Yeah. So I'm going to put in my chicken now.
okay. Really beautiful. Let's help in with this nice
Chicken.
cooking.
And my sister doing it. She's a real cooker, you know, guys.
I'm gonna put it at 220 and I'm gonna put the timer on. This timer is 45 minutes.
One from home and one behind, the chaser is.
Yeah, the British and Irish lines.
Just
are
gonna
like
remove the
US
file
lines
paper and put it in.
Yeah,
Let
yeah.
it stay there.
I'm turning it down, yeah, for
Yeah.
it to get color now.
Yeah.
Emerald, C, palm. Right, now then, you're from Essex. You're from
Look at my roast chicken.
Charges and anyone hoping to dodge the cost. My project has been more than a decade.
Guys,
It's ready.
this is ready now. This is my roast chicken. It's beautiful. It
Smell
smells good.
amazing.
You should smell the kitchen. Please subscribe
Amazing.
and comment.
Here we go. Oh.